In this era of innovation, there is a company. It firmly takes on challenges and steadily expands. It has been cultivating in this field for over 20 years. This remarkable company is Sichuan Y&J Industries Company Limited. Y&J has achieved significant success since its establishment. Now it's a high-tech enterprise with advanced technologies, R&D, and production facilities. Our products and services include various high-quality customized mechanical parts, hydraulic cylinders and their components, valves and their components, and comprehensive engineering services, catering to industries like petrochemicals, mining and construction, hydraulics, aviation, etc. Our revenue increasingly grows and our footprint has expanded to over 40 countries and regions. The market share is strong in North America, Europe, and Oceania. Y&J has strong manufacturing capabilities. Our foundries are well equipped with molding lines, induction, arc, and ladle furnaces, heat treatment ovens and water tanks, spectrometers, microscopes, universal testing machines, and so on. Materials we produce include carbon steel, alloy steel, stainless steel, ductile iron, and gray iron, conforming to international standards. Our foundries are dedicated to green manufacturing. We utilize green power and have invested in apparatus to reach emission levels. Y&J machining shops are outfitted with state-of-the-art equipment, namely 5-axis and 4-axis CNC machining centers, CNC gantry milling boring machines, CNC horizontal and vertical lathes, CNC honing machines, and CMM, etc. These enable us to process workpieces with complex shapes, intricate geometries, and stringent tolerance. Y&J is also dedicated to engineering services. We chose the most cost-effective process to achieve a competitive price and high productivity. We create 3D models by utilizing 3D scanning technology. Casting method simulation software is always employed to ensure quality. Quality is a top priority at Y&J. Y&J and its subsidiaries hold numerous certifications, including ISO 9001, AS9100, PED, API 6D, CE, ISO 45001, and ISO 14001. We carry out various inspections, covering chemical composition, mechanical properties, dimensions, RT, UT, MT, PT, pressure testing, etc. Y&J Metrology and Testing Company, accredited by CNAS, is dedicated to providing calibrating and testing services. This accreditation represents our credibility and reliability, setting us apart from others. In general, Y&J's growth over many years owes to our adherence to the core values. We'll continue to uphold these core values, which we believe will lead us to even greater success in the new journey.